Hey guys, how are you doing? So today I'm going to show you one of the easiest way of preparing ice cream at home which you can prepare for this summer, that is Oreo ice cream. And we are going to prepare this with just 3 ingredients. Yes guys, you heard it right, we are going to prepare this with just 3 ingredients and it comes out so smooth and creamy that you won't believe it's homemade. So let's get on to the recipe. So to prepare this cookies and cream or Oreo ice cream, we'll be taking around 15 Oreos. So today I'm using this mixture of the white cream, that is the vanilla ones, and the chocolate ones. You can use any of your choice, and if you want you can use only vanilla, or if you want you can use only chocolate for more chocolatey flavor. And now we need to crush these slightly, so I'm going to transfer the Oreos in a Ziploc bag, as we need to slightly crush the Oreos. That is, we have to just crush it, we need some chunks in it. So I'm going to simply use this rolling pin and just crush it slightly all over. So basically we want some chunks of Oreos. That is the reason we are not using any blender or mixie over here. We need nice bite-sized pieces of Oreos in our ice cream. So it's done enough. I'll show you. This is how it looks. Perfect texture. And once these pieces will go into ice cream, they will give you nice crunch and bite whenever you eat it. Next up, here I've got this large mixing bowl which I've chilled in the refrigerator along with these 2 whisk attachments in the fridge for about 30 minutes. What this will do, this will help in whipping the cream faster. And now we'll pour in 2 cups or around 500 ml of heavy whipping cream or whipping cream, whatever you call. So today I'm going to show you what I'm using. So this is the Tropolite whipping cream which is very easily available in the market, as I get a lot of questions asking for the brand name. So this is the one which I use, but if you want you can also use Rich brand whipping cream. That is also very easily available in India. That also works very well. These creams are already slightly sweetened, so you can adjust the sweetness accordingly. Now we'll start beating the cream first at low speed for about 1 to 2 minutes. And after beating, soon you will see the cream getting thicker. You can see it's getting thicker after 2 minutes. And now what I will do, increase the speed from low to little high and again start beating until you get stiff peaks. So keep beating it for a while. The chilled bowl and the chilled whisk attachments will help in whipping the cream faster. So now it's been almost 4 to 5 minutes. You can see the stiff peaks now. I'll just show you with the help of this whisk attachments. See, this is how it looks. It's quite stiff. It's not very loose, but it's like little firm. When I'm dropping, it's not dropping immediately. That's the consistency we are looking for. So at this stage, we are going to add in the sweetened condensed milk, which is 1 cup or around 200 ml. And again, I'm going to blend it well. So basically here I have taken 500 ml of whipping cream, to which I am using 200 ml of condensed milk, because this cream is slightly sweeter. But if you are using unsweetened cream, then you can use 2:1, that is 500 ml of whipping cream and around 250 grams or 250 ml of sweetened condensed milk. To this I am going to add in the crushed Oreos and mix well. So now we don't want to beat the mixture. Using a spatula, mix the cookies into this mixture. So fold it nicely until all the cookies are nicely combined with the cream. So this basic cookies and cream or the Oreo ice cream base is ready. You can see this how creamy it's looking already. I'm going to transfer this in any tin or container, filling it up to the top and then flatten the tops as required. I'm going to tap it a bit on the platform just to smoothen the tops. Once that is done, I'm going to cover it with a lid, or you can simply cover it with a cling wrap. Make sure to seal it nicely from all the sides and top so that no ice crystals are formed after freezing. So this is ready to go into the freezer for at least 6 to 8 hours, or overnight is better. So I had kept mine in the freezer for overnight. Let's remove the lid and check. Wow, you can see it's nicely set without any ice crystals on the surface. Just look at this. And if you can notice, it has become slightly darker also, because the Oreos are nicely infused in this cream and making it little chocolatey and dense. I'm going to scoop it out and serve in any bowl or dish of your choice. You can see how yummy it's looking. It's a perfect treat for this summer for both kids as well as adults. And if you want, you can also serve in any cone of your choice. So here I've got some waffle cones. I'm going to scoop a few ice cream scoops into this. It's looking so yummy. So I hope you enjoyed this easy peasy and delicious ice cream recipe, and if yes, do like, share and subscribe for more such summer recipes from Kanak's Kitchen. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.